On the lookout for Stephen! I mean me! Help! Oh, looks like I'll have to find my own way out of here before I run out of steam.
Stephen raced around the old mine, but he couldn't find another way out. Then, as he hurried round a bend, he bashed into some rocks.
Whoa!
It started a rock slide. Back at Tidmouth Sheds, Thomas told the other engines that Stephen was missing.
He couldn't have gone very far, Thomas.
でも今頃危ない目に遭ってるかも。
Well, you shouldn't have told him he had a job when he didn't.
でも本当に伯爵のために仕事をするんだ。みんなで協力してスティーブンを無事に見つけようよ。
As the dust cleared, Stephen saw an old wooden chest amongst the fallen rocks.
I'll just push it out of the way. Oh, wobbling wagons!